Hello, everybody. My name is Ricardo from the Nimiq team, and I'm here with Robin, a creator and architect of the Nimiq blockchain. So we've been gathering some questions from the community since our launch of the betanet, and we wanted to make these questions to Robin so they can explain it to the community. So, Robin, is the browser wallet the only wallet available for Nimiq?
We are very aware of the security needs of our users, so we will build wallets with advanced security features like cold wallets, encrypted key storage, and dedicated apps. But right now we just wanted to get the betanet started, and that's why we chose a very simple wallet that just stores your private key unencrypted in your index database.
Okay, thanks. So how does it work? The first time I open the betanet, it stores my private and my public key in my browser. How does it store it? If I open, like if my computer has two browsers, I'll have then one wallet per browser. Can I export it and then import in the other one?
Yes, if you open it in 3 different browsers, all those browsers will create a separate private key and a private separate account. And if you want to combine those accounts, you will need to export your private key and import them into other browsers. There is not yet, we haven't shipped that feature yet, but we will do so hopefully next week.
So people, when they are mining, browser mining, they see this time expected to receive 50 Nimiqs, right? That is the reward for mining a block. How does the reward system works right now in the betanet?
Well, about every minute a new block is mined, and the miner of the block gets a reward of 50 Nimiqs. And in the miner you can see there is an estimation when you will get your first reward, like 18 hours or something. But that doesn't mean you will get exactly after 18 hours 50 Nimiqs. It means on average you will get 50 Nimiqs after 18 hours of mining.
Okay.
But it always depends on your hash power and the global hash rate.
Okay, and what is the average transaction confirmation time in the Nimiq network? Sometimes when I send a transaction, it takes longer than the expected time that it shows in the browser wallet. So how does it work?
Okay, the average confirmation time is the block time, which is 1 minute right now. But it's always around 1 minute. We cannot guarantee that every minute a block will be mined, but like around about every minute a new block will be mined. So your transactions will be confirmed after about a minute. But yesterday we had a slight problem that we got too much hashing power, and then the difficulty increased a lot, and then the hashing power left again, and then the difficulty was too hard for us to mine the next block, and then it took us about 20 minutes to mine a block, and then confirmations took very long. But we will smooth the function that is responsible for the difficulty, and hopefully we will solve those bugs in future.
Great. So now that you're talking about hash rate power from my computer, how does the resource management works? Like if I have a CPU, it will take all the available idle cycle from my CPU, and if I have a GPU, then it will take both of them?
It depends on your cores. Like I think right now it takes all the computational power of a single core. It's not multi-threaded yet. And right now we don't use your GPU at all. And we will change our proof of work algorithm to a memory hard proof of work algorithm, and then hopefully everybody can mine without dedicated hardware.
And what kind of proof of work is planned for the mainnet? What stops people from just setting up optimized code for their miners and then mine with specific hardware?
We will use a memory hard proof of work. That means ASICs, like application-specific integrated circuits, will not help you that much. And the other thing is, yeah, for sure, you can write a client in C and make it a little faster than WebAssembly or like web crypto implementations. We expect that to happen, and we think it's a good thing if that happens. The main feature of our blockchain is not browser-based mining. Browser-based mining is a thing, and we want to push it as much as possible. But the most important thing for us is that browsers can participate in the network, so they can prove their balance and send transactions. That's the most important part, and we want to structure the network in a way that this is always possible. If it's not possible to mine in browsers anymore at some point, that would be a small issue, but not a big issue.
Okay. And since it raised some curiosity between the community, people are asking, in one jungle is the Nimiq team based in? So you want to talk a little bit about it?
It looks a bit like a jungle, but like it's not a jungle. It's just like a very small, beautiful village here in Costa Rica. It's called Santa Teresa, right next to the beach, and this is where we build our project.
Yeah, so do you feel that because there's no distraction, then the Nimiq team can concentrate in getting everything done faster?
Exactly, yeah. You can work here very focused, very productively.
Okay, so thank you for your time, Robin.
Thank you.
And make sure you subscribe so you can continue seeing these Q&A sessions, which we will continue doing. And if you have more questions, make sure to ask them in any of our channels with the hashtag #AskNimiq. So thank you for watching.
And if you're a coder, send pull requests.
Okay, bye.